Hi, I'm Rian, Team Manager of Team Island. Welcome back to the series where I take you through how to build an entry-class F1 Schools car in OnShape. If you haven't already, go back to watch the first two videos where I talk you through the basics of OnShape and how to build the main body. In this episode, we're going to be building on the main body and adding the nose cone, so I hope you enjoy. So, to start building the nose cone of our car, we're going to first go and create the side profile. So we're going to click on this face, Shift S, and N to fill the camera. Then we're going to use the line tool to create a line out from the base of our car horizontally. And then we're going to use the spline tool to create an aerodynamic curve. We'll guide the air on to the top of the car. And make sure it ends at our baseline. Then you can use the M tool or the cut tool to trim this line and create that curve. And then we just have to connect the two dots here using the line tool. So you can edit this by moving the blue points and the white points. So once you're happy with it, click the tick and we're going to start building the bottom view. So go to the bottom face, Shift S, N, and then we're going to use the spline tool again. So use the line tool again to create your base and make sure that it ends at the same point as your other view. So we're going to use the spline tool again and just create another aerodynamic curve. Like that. Then you can edit it again the same way. Okay, so once you've got those two views, I'm going to click the tick and then we're going to create one final sketch on the front of the car. So Shift S and we're just going to use the arc tool, which is the A key, to create an arc from the 2 points. And once you've done that, click the tick, and then we should have these three views. So we're going to use the loft tool again, from the side to the bottom profile. And then if it doesn't work the first time, we will just have to click match connections, and then click 2 points that you want to match. And then that should work. So right now it isn't following our third sketch of this arc, so we're going to go to guides and continuity and then click the arc, and then it should work. So you can click the tick and we have our nose cone. The only problem with it is that it doesn't join smoothly to the actual car. So going to go to transform and then click our nose cone, and then we're going to translate by X, Y, Z, and on the Y coordinate do about 3 millimeters to 10 millimeters. So any range within there will work, and you just have to play around with it, see what works better, and CFD testing. So I'm going to go with 10 millimeters, click the tick, and then we're going to go to loft again. And this time going from this face to this face. Then you can see it creates a joining. So you can click merge with all onto add, so that it merges the two parts. Then, once you're happy with that, you can click the tick. So one final thing we have to do is go to this back view, Shift S, N, and then just create the rectangle that is the airline guide. So we're just going to use the rectangle tool, create the G key to create that rectangle, and then we're going to go Shift E, and then remove. We're going to extrude it through all, so that we create, and then make sure to click merge with all. And then we can create the tailline guide through the nose cone. So then, once you've done that, all we need to do is Boolean. So the Boolean will merge these two parts into one part. So you can do that if you want, or if you'd like to keep it as two separate parts to test separately in CFD or manufacture just one of them, then you can keep it without doing the Boolean. So I'm not going to use the Boolean tool. So we've finished the nose cone of our car and come back to what. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos on tips and tricks for F1 in schools, including CAD tutorials, graphic design and aerodynamics.